Why are there so many dead birds down here?
Well, about a week ago, I was lost down here. I was camping, and it's a story I don't like to tell. I was lost. I was lost.
You can see the house from here.
This is the point. Anyways, I was hungry. Nothing else to do. Just lonely. Crying my eyes out, which we don't tell. Abby? We don't tell anyone. I was crying. And, since I was crying, I was hungry. I had to kill all the birds. All of them. Every last one of them.
I seen some birds the other day.
Oh. Well, I didn't kill all of them. I'm like Rambo. Just like Rambo, just killing everyone.
Rambo didn't get scared of the Teletubbies last night.
Mom told you never to say that!
Mom's not here.
Yeah, took you long enough. And that's... Oh my god, a gun!
That's not a gun. That is a tree.
I gotta go.